Click on Deactivation and Deletion and choose Delete Account. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the deletion of your account. Step 3. Confirm deletion. To ensure the deletion is final, Facebook requires you to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Read the information provided by Facebook regarding account deletion. Click on Delete Account and enter your password to confirm. Solve any security CAPTCHA if prompted and click on Delete Account. Step 4. Wait for account deletion. After confirming the deletion, Facebook will start the account deletion process. It may take up to 30 days for your account and associated data to be permanently removed. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more tech-related tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.